Recommendation method of nursing teaching resources in geriatric internal medicine based on Internet of Things technology. Abstract. When many learning websites recommend course resources, the correlation between recommended resources and target resources is not very good, which leads to the low correlation between recommended courses and target resources. This paper designs a method of elderly nursing teaching resources recommendation based on Internet of Things technology. Integrate interactive data and model data to browse course feature data. The correlation between recommended resources and target resources is compared, and the correlation between browsing function data and recommended resources is calculated. According to the degree of feature association, the weight of recommended resources is calculated. Through the weight set sorting, with the help of Internet of Things technology, to rearrange the recommended order of curriculum resources, complete the design of elderly nursing teaching resources recommendation method based on Internet of Things technology. Through experimental analysis, the highest correlation between recommended courses and target resources is 72%. The results show that the method is more perfect. Keywords: Internet of Things technology, geriatric internal medicine nursing, curriculum resource recommendation order. 1. Introduction. Digital learning of Internet of Things has become an important way of distance education and learning. The network teaching resources are also growing rapidly. The overload of information brings many challenges to teaching organizers and learners. They have to spend a lot of time and energy to screen out the resources that meet their needs. And the Internet of Things technology is an effective way to solve this problem. It has been widely used in the business field and has achieved remarkable results by recommending the information and commodities of interest to users according to the characteristics of users' interest and historical behaviors. The pre-oral recommendation system has also been applied to e-learning environment. It can help teaching organizers and learners to effectively reduce the burden of information overload and improve the efficiency of work learning. However, it is difficult to apply the recommendation methods and systems directly to business field in e-learning, because the teaching and learning process is more complex than the business system, and is subject to the user's knowledge level and teaching. The influence of the task of oral standard and the characteristics of the subject. With the development of the Internet of Things technologies and the improvement of people's living standard. In the related research, the common resource recommendation methods include personalized learning resource recommendation method based on 3D feature code domination and online learning resource recommendation method based on ontology and recurrent neural network. Among them, the personalized learning resource recommendation method based on collaborative domination of three-dimensional features improves the matching relationship between learners and online learning resources. establishes the personalized learning resource recommendation model based on collaborative domination of three-dimensional features and describes it parametrically. Secondly, a binary particle swarm optimization algorithm based on fuzzy control of Gaussian membership function is designed to solve the objective function of the recommended model. Finally, 5 groups of comparative experiments are conducted to verify the good performance of the proposed method. This method designs reasonable indicators in recommendation, but it has the problem of less resources. In the online learning resource recommendation method based on ontology and recurrent neural network, this method uses ontology method to model and represent the domain knowledge of learners and learning resources, and uses recurrent neural network to mine learners' learning mode to get a final resource recommendation list. This method has high recommendation accuracy but poor linkage. The course and spectrum of diseases have changed greatly, which also led to the progress of medical science and technology and the change of medical mode. It also poses new challenges to nursing work. It requires that the nursing work should change the patients from the whole concept of biology, psychology, and society, from the simple disease nursing mode to the people-oriented nursing mode, from the individual nursing of patients to group nursing. Let the patient produce the concept of changing from passive nursing to active disease prevention. Of course, with the change of disease spectrum and aging of population, the cooperation and exchange in Internet of Things technology and nursing are expanding day by day. Diversify the community care service, such as family care, hospital care, day ward. These all put forward higher requirements for nursing, requiring the development of nursing work to specialization and specialization, and the nurse's theoretical study, self-study ability, active change of nursing service mode, and the concept of nursing education. 2. The design of the recommended method of nursing teaching resources for the elderly. 2.1. The collection and browsing course characteristic data of Internet of Things technology. The data collection of course features mainly includes the collection of interactive data between online layers and users, and the construction of model, including teacher behavior record, teacher model, course model, and resource model. Teacher behavior record is used to record various operations of teachers on the system platform. Based on the Internet of Things technology, it provides databases for personalized recommendation. According to the behavior objects of teachers, teachers' behavior records can be divided into resource behavior records, teaching task records, and labeled behavior records. Operation behavior of resources includes downloading, scoring, collecting, and browsing. Teaching task record refers to the teacher's teaching design and lesson preparation in the process of UI interaction. Tag behavior record refers to the teacher operation of recommended resource tags, including selection, modification, deletion, and addition. The course model is used to represent the relationship between courses and the content characteristics of each lesson. It is composed of curriculum relationship and curriculum label. Based on Internet of Things technology, use resources related to the course describes the state sequence of a dataset, each of which depends on the first and finite states. Therefore, the Internet of Things technology is used to express the characteristic relationship between courses, that is, the course prepared by teachers in the next state is only related to the current position of the course. By using the state transformation relationship of Internet of Things technology, teachers' position in the course structure can be predicted when they log into the system again, so as to collect relevant resources more accurately, as shown in Figure 1.